Stroke, fill, and text styles can now be applied at the group level, affecting all applicable objects within the group. Hopefully, this will save you a lot of authoring time. In this object, we have a group containing several polybezier lines. If we enable the pick point tool, we can easily select and change the style of a particular object in the group. With the pick tool, we can select a whole group and then apply the stroke style to all objects in the group. And we can do the same for the fill style. So you do not have to select all objects in the group any longer.